What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Well, it's silage time. Dad's pushing our pile. Well, this is the last load going in the bunk. A little bit of an upgrade from last year. We went with the round bale bunker. And then we got our plastic back there on the ground. We're gonna roll this over it, put round bales on each corner to hold it down, and then we'll put all of our tires like last year down it. But this is about 8.5 acres in here. Should be more than we'll need, so it should get us all year, hopefully. And then we'll move on to dry corn probably next month, end of it. And we still had some corn left from last year. So then we got hay bales over there, hay bales there outside, and then a whole barn full of hay inside. So should have enough feed for all the beef cattle and steers we got. And the goats. They eat about a round bale a month. The wagon gave us some problems yesterday, but I gotta shim up that clutch setup in there. It's just wore out, but we got our silage tarp down there. It's a real nice pile of feed. way more than I thought we'd have. Only 8.5 acres. As dry as it's been. June and like half of July, we only got like barely 1.5 inches of rain, if that. So some of it wasn't real great. That's ended up getting sprayed, and then it got so dry and weedy, side dressed, and it was way too dry to be doing that. But all in all, it did not turn out as bad as I thought it was gonna. So we got 3 fields that look really good yet. That'll be for dry corn, and then I'll run 2, about 15 acres from the neighbor, 2 fields. And we'll buy a bunch of it from him, and then I'll harvest the rest and we'll get it to MAC to be sold. But so 2 fields done of corn, 5 more to go. Yeah, good start.